In this video, I will guide you how to write 18 digits in Excel. So you need to type is equal to, write tags, open bracket, select the cells, comma, space, double quote and type 18 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and double quote and close the bracket and hit enter, and here you can easily type 18 digits. Another way is that you need to select the cells, right click, go to the format cells, select the customs, and here you see that general. You need to type 18 0 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and click OK. And now type 18 digits in that. And here you can easily type 18 digits in Excel. So I hope you understand the video. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.